Hello and welcome to this short snippet video with me, Adam Rose. In this video we're going to have a look at how you can create custom weldment profiles within SolidWorks. I've opened up SolidWorks and I've got a weldment feature opened up already with a 3D sketch I can create anything from. If I click structural member, we do have a variety of different types of standard we can choose from when we're creating a structural member. However, if I want to create my own profile, it's relatively easy to do. All we do is to create a new model. I'm just starting from a part model, first of all. I'm going to create a sketch in one of the planes in this model to start off with. So all I'm doing is drawing the shape of this profile out. So I'm going to start just by drawing out some elements. I'll add in some dimensions to control the size. And I'll put in some sketch fillets on the corners. Once I've done that, I can then use offset entities within the sketch to give this item a thickness. Okay, so that completes the weldment profile, the shape I want it. I'm going to exit the sketch now. Now that I've created the shape, I'm going to add some properties into this design. I'm going to go to the File menu and go to the Properties menu from there. In here, I'm going to add a description. The advantage of adding a description before we save the model is that then later on we can call this back and this will be brought straight into any cut list that we create from this profile. So I'm going to add a simple item in here. Okay, so having added a description in, we can click OK. And now I can save this model away into my system. What I'm going to do now is to select the item on the left hand side and go to File, Save As. We then want to save this model as a library feature part. What it will do is it will take us to the design library for SolidWorks. However, we don't want to save it in this location, we want to save it in the default location where these items are saved on our system. If we're not sure where this location is, we can go to the Options menu to check. So I'll cancel this for the meantime. I'll bring up my Options menu from the top. I'm going to go down on the left hand side to File Locations. If I drop down this list, I can find the location of weldment profiles. Okay, so you can see they're currently stored in C, Program Files, SolidWorks Corp, SolidWorks Lang, English, and Weldment Profile. So it's going to be the location where you installed SolidWorks, followed by Lang, English, and Weldment Profiles. So we need to save this profile in that location. So I'm doing the same process as before. I'm choosing Library Feature Part, and then I'm going to browse to that location. I can save this under any standard I want, or I can create my own. And I'm going to add another folder within here to act as the particular type of profile. And then I'll save it in this location with a name. we should find now that we can create a structural member from this sketch that I've got created. And the standard that we made earlier on will be selectable. Then we can choose the type, followed by the particular size we want to work from. So that's the item we just created. And then we can insert it into any new models. Thanks very much for watching.